Fried rice is simple and time-saving to make, and is one of many people's favorites. Let's make Chinese sausage French beans fried rice today. C. French beans are rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, high-quality protein, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and other minerals, and are rich in nutrients. Let's start cooking now. French beans, chopped garlic, overnight rice. Chinese sausage, soak in hot water to ease of remove outer jacket. Add 1 teaspoon light soy sauce and 1 light sauce sesame oil on overnight rice. Crack 1 egg and mix well. Cubes French beans. Cubes onion. Peel off jacket and cubes Chinese sausage. Heat oil. Stir-fry onion cubes and Chinese sausage cubes. Add chopped garlic and stir-fry. Add French beans cubes. Add overnight rice and stir-fry. Sprinkle pepper powder and chicken powder. Optional to add chicken powder. Plate fried rice into bowl. Delicious Chinese sausage French beans fried rice is done. This fried rice is salty and delicious, with crispy beans in every bite. It's really delicious. Nutritionists say that eating beans regularly can not only replenish nutrients for the body, but also promote gastrointestinal motility, relieve constipation, and achieve weight loss. Eating beans regularly can also strengthen the spleen, stimulate the appetite, and lower blood sugar. because beans are rich in vitamins, dietary, fiber, potassium, and other nutrients, and have very low calories. Eating beans regularly can not only supplement nutrition for the body, but also promote gastrointestinal motility, help relieve constipation symptoms, and play a role in certain weight loss. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. YouTube friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Chinese sausage, commonly known as sausage, refers to a meat product made from meat as raw material, cut and twisted into cubes, mixed with auxiliary materials, stuffed into animal casings, fermented, matured, and dried. Chinese sausage contains fat, protein, carbohydrates, and other elements. Sausage can stimulate the appetite and increase appetite. Chinese sausage is rich in various nutrients, which can help effectively absorb nutrients, provide essential trace elements for the human body, and prevent anemia and other diseases. According to Meiji China, children, pregnant women, the elderly, people with hyperlipidemia, eat less or not at all. People with liver and kidney dysfunction are not suitable for consumption. There are more delicious fried rice recipes in my channel, so check them out.